Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how we're going to create a new Gmail account. So let's start. You can open any of the browser. So I'm just using this Chrome browser now. Here you can click on Gmail or on the from the icons you can also find the Gmail icon here. So click on that. A new way Gmail login page will be open. If you have already have a Gmail account, you can just sign in from here. Click on sign in and you can log in from there, or else you can create a new account from here, or you can click on create a new account here. Click on it. A new tab will be open. Here you have to fill your first name, last name, your user ID, email address, password, and click on next. So here enter your first name. I'm entering as Santosh and last name as Tech. Here it is suggesting some usernames which can be used as a Gmail account. So I don't want to use that. So I'll clear it off and I'm entering my own Santosh Tech. Let's see if it is taken. No, it is also not available as it is also been taken. So it is also suggesting other things, but I don't want to use that. So I'll give Tech 50 and see if it accepts or not. Yeah. So yeah, now it has been taken. Yeah, it is accepted now. So that is available and it can be used as our Gmail account now. Now you have to enter the password and it should be 8 characters or more than that, which is a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Enter the required password here and say enter the same password again to confirm and click on next. Remember this password and click on next. Here in another page, you have to enter your phone number to verify in which country you are. You can select that. I'm in India, so I'm selecting India, and you can enter. This is an optional one, so you can skip it. It's not that necessary. And a recovery email, whenever your email falls into some issues, you can get this with your recovery email. As this is also optional, you can skip that and you can enter your date of birth. I'm entering as 26 January 1995. Here it's better you give the correct birth date so that whenever any issues happen, then you can use using this date of birth you can recover your email address. Here you can select your gender, male, female, rather not say a custom. If you are using it for personal use, you can select male or female. If it is for business purpose, you can say just select rather not say and continue with that. Click on next and it will open another page which is privacy and terms, which you have to accept it. Click on I agree. Now the new Gmail account will be created and the Gmail inbox will be set up. Gmail is loading now and your email box will be set up now. Here, this is your Gmail emailing page. From this, you can send your emails, receive your emails, and all we can do it from here. This is the main Gmail page. To send an email to any other people, you need to click on this compose. A new pop-up window will be open. Here you have to type the email address to whom we have to send the email. Here I am typing my own email, santoshtech50@gmail.com. This is just for the example. So here you have to enter the email address and the subject. I'm just going to type it as test email and you can write the email. Here I'm just sending a test email, so I'm just writing hi Santosh, this is just email regards Santosh, and you have to click on send Once you click on send, it shows sending and message sent. So the mail is sent, and as I have given the same email address, so I have received this email back to me again. Here you can see all the details from where the email has come and all, when and where, time and all. Once you click on back, you will go back to the inbox again. Here is the icon with your starting letter of your name, and you can click and sign out to sign out from Gmail account. And this is what about is the Gmail. You can also sign out from here. Click on sign out, and you'll be out of Gmail. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.